So guys, welcome to my channel. First go to this website, official website dell.com, and after that click on support and then click on driver downloads, then enter the model number and then hit to search. Select this, slow down, so wait few seconds. You can see this is loading the data. Select the driver. You can check that automatically, so you can see required driver, you can see, and then you can install directly. Otherwise you have to install manually, so you can select the driver. After that click on categorize, then you can select the operating system. By default Windows 11. So this is all driver BIOS, chipset, network, storage, video, graphic card, and all driver there. Slow down, extract mouse keyboard input, the camera AI effect output driver, and click to download. After that you can say start downloading in the download box. It will start downloading. So it is completed. Then click and open this. After that click to yes for AI effect camera and then click on install. So you can see camera AI effect output is driver is successfully installed, and then just close and then close it.